So everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Bolt Concepts, and on this channel I teach smartphone graphic designing, especially using Pixellab, Canva, Photopea and other smartphone editing apps. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use guidelines or grid lines in Pixellab and how they help you design clean logos, flyers and social media graphics like a professional. If you are new here, please subscribe, like this video and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss any tutorials. And if you have been visiting, make sure you like this video, comment under this video and share the video. Alright, now let's get started. First thing we're going to be looking at is what guidelines are. So people call it guidelines, so people call it grid lines, but the most important thing is that you know the function. Alright, now these guidelines, they are design tools. You can find them on Canva, Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, even Pixellab. Basically, any graphic design editing software or app, you can find them there. And they are tools that helps align objects properly. They keep spacing balanced. They place text and images neatly, and they create professional looking designs. Right now, that is what guidelines are. And for you to access guidelines on Pixellab, remember Pixellab interface is different from other software interface. This is Pixellab on a PC, on a system. So now let's get started. For you to access the guidelines, you are going to go to this third dot here, this one over here. Alright, you are going to click on it, the box icon that looks like net. That's the guideline icon. You are going to click on it. After clicking on it, okay, wait, let me change the background so you'll be able to see it more clearly. Hold on. Okay, I think we should use black. Okay, black is okay. So now these lines that you see over here, they are the guidelines. So these guidelines are horizontal and vertical lines that helps you align text properly, keep spacing balanced and all that. So when you look below, you see these two icons here. This icon is for snipping. We'll talk about that one later. And if you want to know more about it, check the video link below on this description. I'm going to be showing you more about this. You are going to learn more about this snipping tool. So just check the link to the video and make sure you watch it till the end. Now this one here with a setting, you click on it, then you'll be able to adjust the guidelines. If you click on this vertical line with the plus icon, you see it will add a line. It will add a line vertically, which you can move, and you can switch the lines you want to move. You can switch it to your desired position. That's the lines you want to move. And this other one here is similar to this one, the first one, the horizontal line with plus icon. If you click on it, it also adds horizontal lines. You can also move that too. While this is for eliminating or deleting lines that are unnecessary, any one that you click on, you can delete them. You get. So, and this one here is for you to adjust the lines, the position of the line manually. For example, now this line here is at the middle, which is 50%. But when we click on it, if you click on it like this to 81%, and we click on OK, you see it moves below the line. Now let's click it to take it to 0% to see how it goes. It's on 0%, and see where it is right here. So that's the use of the button there. Now on to the next. This icon here, like a redo or repeat icon, if you click on it, you'll be able to see this one. You can manually add the number of horizontal line and vertical lines you want without stress. You get. Manually it is 3 horizontal and 3 vertical. If you click on OK, it returns to the original state. You can also adjust this. Let's say we want 30 vertical guides and 30 horizontal. When you click on OK, you can see how it is. You can see, let's just count it: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. Okay, yes, about 30. So that's the use of that line there. Let's just redo this. So now I'm going to teach you the importance of these guidelines in flyer design, and how you can also use this snipping tool too for flyer designs to ensure you have good flyer designs, right? So let's just click on here and click on OK. Let's hide this. Now this is a design I saw online. If you can see this design, if you can sometimes wonder how they get these straight alignments here. Now I'm going to show you how to achieve that. When you click on this icon, you can adjust it. You can see that's how you get it. Then you start typing in your text and all that. So let me just show you an example of how to get this box here without stressing yourself. Let's say you want to replicate this design. Mind you, this is not my design, please. This is not my design. Let's say you want to replicate this design, alright? Then the snipping tool is on. You've adjusted your nodes to the sides of the design, to the side of this box. You go to the shapes. You go to the shapes, then you click on it. Now you can start adjusting it. You see, when you move it up, you can see the red line that show. You can see the red line. That is due to the snipping tool. When it is off, it will not show, and it can make your design messy or not accurate. So let's leave it on. Since you know the use of that now, we'll increase the radius a little bit, then adjust it. Okay, yes, that's it. You can see we got the exact size of the image. We got the exact size and exact angle. Without the guideline, this will be practically hard. This will be difficult, but through the guideline and the snipping tool, it was easier. So that's the use of the snipping. So that's it. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you. I hope you love the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this channel all across your friends, so that YouTube can recommend the channel and the videos to those accounts that really need it. There are other accounts that really need this video out there, so do well to like and share. See you in the next video.